Do you need tires or other auto repairs? Come to the service center Rhode Islanders have trusted for 40 years. D&M Tyre and Automotive Service Center. D&M Tyre is a family-owned and operated business built on honesty and integrity, and we won't try to sell you anything you don't need. Our team of Highline mechanics service all makes and models, and with a warehouse full of tires and an in-house parts department, we can get your car back on the road faster. D&M Tyre, where service never tires. 50 Liberia Street in Cranston.